Making your Facebook account more private can help control who sees your posts and personal information. Let me guide you through how to make your Facebook account as private as possible. First, open your Facebook app or go to the website on your computer and log in. Once you're in, click on the three lines in the upper right-hand corner of the app or site. This will open a menu with several options. From there, scroll down and click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down again until you see a section called Audience and Visibility. This is where you can control who sees your information and posts. Click on How People Find and Contact You under this section. Here, you will be presented with several options. For each one, you can choose who can see things like your friend list, who can send you friend requests, or who can look you up using your email or phone number. To make your account as private as possible, change each of these options to Friends or Only Me, depending on how much privacy you want. Next, go back to the Audience and Visibility section and find the Posts option. Click on that, and here you can set the audience for future posts. To keep everything private, change this setting to Only Me. This ensures that only you can see the posts you make unless you change the setting for specific posts. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.